Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect QCY Bluetooth headphones, an easy guide. First, gently unbox your new headphones and confirm all parts are there, like the charging cable and ear tips. Next, charge your QCY headphones for a minimum of 2 hours. This initial charge is crucial for optimal battery life. Finally, prepare your smartphone or computer by opening its Bluetooth settings, making it ready for pairing. To begin, power on your QCY headphones by pressing and holding the main multifunction button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You will see a small indicator light, usually blue and red, begin to flash rapidly, signaling they are in pairing mode. Keep your headphones very close to your phone or computer, ideally within 1 meter, for the best connection experience during this step. Now, on your smartphone or computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and initiate a scan for new devices. A list of available Bluetooth devices will appear on your screen, and you should see your QCY headphones listed, usually by their model number. Tap on your headphone's name to connect, and a confirmation message will display, showing they are successfully paired and ready to use. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your headphones do not connect, simply power both your headphones and your device completely off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn them back on. Another helpful trick is to forget any old QCY headphone entries in your device's Bluetooth settings, which can clear up connection conflicts. Always check your headphone's battery level as well, as low power can prevent proper pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.